Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing chapter number 1 and that is the number system. So in today's class we are going to learn about expanded form and short form of the numbers. Yes, before this you have to know the place value chart, place value and face value of the number. So I took here one example and that is 35,269. So let us write that number in place value chart once. Yes, and next here you have to write thousands, next here lakhs. So these are periods, ones, thousands, yes, and this is lakhs. Okay, so here how many place values will come? Ones, tens and hundreds. Here thousand and 10,000. Okay, so let us write this number in. There is no need of here lakh period, so I will rub here. So write this number in 35,269. So this is what the place value chart in Indian system of numeration. Okay, here there are two systems will come that you will learn in next class, means when you will be in class 5, you know, that time. So just you keep this in your mind. So first you have to know the place values. Already you know, but I will revise in 1 minute. Place value means it is the position of the digit. Face value means the number itself. So see here, what is there? 9 ones means it is 9. 6 tens means here 10 rupees 6 notes means it is 60. Okay. Next 200s means you write here 200. Next 5,000s means you write here 5,000. 3 10,000s means you write here 30,000. See here, place value means the position of the digit. Yes, 9 is there in ones place, 6 is there in tens place, 2 is there in 100 place, 5 is there in 1000 place, 3 is there in 10,000 place. And I would clear one more thing. In 10, 1 0 will come, in 100, 2 0, in 1000, 3 zeros, and in 10,000, 4 zeros will come. Because while writing expanded form, no, the giving zeros are there, no, that is also very important. I hope you understood this. This is the place value chart. So why I taught this? Because if you want to know the expanded form, for that you must and should know this place value chart. Then what is this expanded form? Expanded form means it is the sum of all the place values of the given digit. This is the way we are expressing. Okay, so here take this example. Here I will take what this same example, 35,269 is there. So you write its place values, 30,000. Yes, how many zeros? 4 zeros. Next you put here plus, after that 5,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 9. So this is the way we are writing the number in expanded form. Means this is the way, yes, the expanded form of a number is a way of expressing it as the sum of the place value of all the digits. It is the way we are expressing all the place value of the digits. I hope you understood this. Why I taught this? Because if you know this, then only you come to know how to write the expanded form. Okay, then here one more digit is there. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So there is no need to solve this. For your understanding purpose I wrote this. If you are writing directly this, that is also correct. So write here 1 lakhs here after, and if you are getting confusion how many zeros I have to put there, for that you have to see 1, and after 1 how many digits are there? See 1 2 3 4 5. So give here 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 plus 2 10,000s means you write here 2, and after 2 how many zeros are there? 4. 1 2 3 4. Next here 0,000s, 0, after 0 how many zeros are there? 3. If you are writing only 0, that is also correct. So I will write here only 0 plus 900s, right here 900, 8 tens means 80, 9 ones means 9. So this is the way we are expressing in expanded form. So here in my practice time too, you have some examples. Okay, so I will take some examples from your my practice time too. understood this expanded form, and short form is there no while solving the practice time, that time only I will explain. So let us take some examples from your My Practice Time 2. My Practice Time 2. My Practice Time 2. Yes, I will take one example. 58,000. I will take 20,985. I will take one more example. 9,08,087. I will take one more example. 1,23,004. So these are some examples I took from your My Practice Time 2, page number 84, and the first question is expand the following numbers. Expand the following numbers. For that you need to know the place value chart. Right here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So right here 2, and after 2 how many digits are they? See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next 0, thousands means you write only 0. 900s means 900 plus 8 tens means 80 plus 5 ones means 5. So this is the way we are writing in expanded form. Next again you write place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. If you are not writing place values, that is also correct, but if you are practicing like this, no, then the place value chart will permanently fix in your mind. So 9 lakh. So 9 lakh right here. 9. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next here 0 is there means you write only 0. 8 thousands. 8 in 1000, 3 zeros will come. Next 0, 0 hundreds means right here 0. 8 tens means 80. 7 ones means 7. I hope you are getting my point. See here if 0 zeros are there means there is no need to write here place value. 0 has the same place value also and face value also. So here you write 0. Next again you take one more example. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. And while giving the zeros, make sure the zeros are correct or wrong. Okay, instead of writing here 8,000, if 1 0 is not there, then that answer is wrong. Okay, so here in 1 lakh 5 zeros will come. In 1 lakh how many zeros are there? 5. So 1 you write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 2 10,000s means right here 20,000. Here 5 zeros means here 4 zeros. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. 3,000s means right here 3,000. Next 0 hundreds means right here 0. Again 0 tens means 0. 4 ones means 4. So this is the way you are writing expanded form of the number. Here 8 examples are there. Among them I have solved 3 and remaining you do as a homework. So here one more is there. Second question, write the standard form of the number. Write the standard form of the number. Standard form means here they given a question I wrote in expanded form. Now they will give you in expanded form. You have to write in short form. So let us see how to do that examples. How to solve that example. So let us take here. The first question is write the standard form of the following. And the first question is, first what is there here? 20,000. First is there here 20,000. Next is there here 500. Next here 5,000 is there. Next 600 plus 90 plus 5. So see here I will write first place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. I will write up to 10,000 because here 20,000 is there. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 20,000 means this 2 will come in 10,000 place. 5,000 means 5 will come in 1,000 place. 600 means that 6 will come here 100 place. 9 tens, 90 means the 9 will come in tens place. 5 ones means that will come in ones place. Here, to get a correct answer, you need to write the place value chart. For example, here 5000 is there. If that is not there, that place value is not there, means in that case you have to put here 0. So its a short form is 25,690. I will take one more example, that is 5 into 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus next 2 into 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 2 into 1000, 3 into 100, 3 into 100 plus next what is there, 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. See here, we are writing expanded form like this also and this is also. See here, 5 into 1 lakh. I wrote directly here 50 lakh, 5 lakh, that is also correct. Okay, 5 into 1 lakh. This we are following this method also and this is also, this method also we are using. Both are correct. So write here place value chart. Up to I have to write lakh because here lakh place is there. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So 5 is there in lakh place, means right here 5. 2 10,000s. 2 is there in 10,000 place, means right here 2. See here 1000 place is not there. So not there means in that case you have to put here 0. 300. 3 is there in 100 place. 2 is there in tens place and 1 is there in ones place. So this is the way we are writing the short form of the number. If you know the place value chart, then you can write these numbers easily. In case if the digit is not there, that place value is not there. See here, just observe here 1000 place is not there. In that case, you have to write here 0. Understood? Yes. Next here, one more question is there. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Yes, so let us take that example and I am solving from your my practice time to page number 84 and third main. So they given in words. Yes, 13,016. 13,000 13,016. So write here again place value chart. There is no need to write place value chart. For your understanding purpose I am writing that all. 13,016. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So what is this here? 13,000. Yes, 13,016 is there. 13,016, but here in 100 there is no place value, so what to write here? 0. So 13,016 is the answer. So here they given in what words? I wrote in numerals. Now you have to write its expanded form. 1 is there in 10,000 place, means you write here 10,000. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Next 3 is there in 1000 place. 1, 2, 3, 0 hundreds means you write 0, 1 tens means 10, 6 ones means 6. Understood? So this means here they given in words, you have to write in numbers. Again you have to expand the number. So here one more question is there. I will take, and that is 6,06,000. 6,06,000 33. So see here 6,06,033 is there. See in this place 10,000 place is not there and lakh place also not there. Sorry, not lakh place, 100 place is not there. So just see how to write this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Because here 6 lakh is there, no? For that purpose I wrote here up to lakh. So see 6 lakh. So write 6 is in lakh place. 6 lakh 6,000 is there. 6,000 in 10,000 place there is no digit, means you give here 0. 33. 33 means here you write, and in 100 place you give 0. So 6 lakh 6,033. So how to write its expanded form? 6 is there in lakh place. Already I told in 1 lakh 5 zeros will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 0 10,000 means 0. 6,000. 6 1, 2, 3. Next 0 hundreds. Next 3 tens means 30. 3 ones means 3. Okay, so this is the way we are writing the number. So here they given in words, I wrote in numerals. Now next I expanded the number. Here my practice time 2, page number 84. See here they given 5 questions. Among them I have solved here 2 examples. Remaining you do as a homework and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.